Real quick, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance overdue light on the 2013 Volvo S60. First, you want to turn it on. Then you have your trip counter here. You want to press that to T1, trip 1, so that trip 1 comes up, so that you're on T1. And once you're on T1, you wanna hold in the trip button and your stop button at the same time until the info light right there in the middle blinks. Let's hold it. Info light went away. It's resetting the systems. Info light's blinking, we can let it go. And the lights reset, the message is reset, and we're good. That's it.